Hi families, happy Friday and happy May 1st. Can you believe it's already May? That's pretty cool. So today I wanted to talk to you about one of the last elements in Earth, and it's fire. Now fire can sometimes be dangerous because it can destroy things. It gets very hot. So I want to remind you first that if you ever see fire, you need to stop what you're doing and go tell a grown-up, and they'll tell you how to be safe around it. Because there's lots of different ways that we use fire that is helpful and can be fun, as long as you stay safe and practice, careful walking around. So maybe you've been camping before and have roasted marshmallows over a fire. Maybe you have a fireplace in your home that helps keep your house warm in the cold days, like in wintertime. There's certain rules you have to follow when there's fire around, and that helps keep everybody safe. I know when I go camping and there's a fire, I have to be really careful that there's no trees around, that I have a nice safe space. Sometimes there's like a little rock circle that my fire sits in to make a fire pit. And then when I'm done my fire, I have to make sure that it's all put out. So you might use some water, or you watch the fire and you make sure that there's no smoke or anything hot in it anymore. And that's a grown-up job to do, or a job for a firefighter. They help us, and they're big helpers in our community if there was a fire in somewhere else that needed some extra help. So I also wanted to tell you about how on birthday candles you might see fire, and your parents might tell you that you can blow it out when it's your turn. Do you want to practice blowing a candle out? Ready? So that's a fun way that you can use fire too. Always with a grown-up though. You want to stay safe and follow the rules about walking around fire and being around there. One other silly way I want to tell you about fire is that sometimes people will say that there's a fire in your belly, but it's not a real fire. It's a pretend fire. It means that you are really happy about something, or the big fancy word is passionate. That means you really love doing something. Kind of like our teachers. They have a big fire in their belly for teaching you all kinds of jobs and all the different lessons. So I want to say thank you to all our teachers who share their big fire bellies with us all the time, and say thank you to everybody who's been trying these lessons at home and have been really, just doing something new. Maybe it's lit a fire in your belly and makes you happy to do this work. So I hope today I challenge you to find something that makes you happy, that lights that pretend fire in your belly that just makes you all sparkle in joy. That's one way we can use fire that is safe, because it's pretend. So I hope you find a way to bring joy to your day and make something that makes you happy. Have a great one. I can't believe it's Friday already. So I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.